I'm going to be talking about the TRX4 light kit that I got for the TRX4 a bit ago. So yeah, I didn't make a review on it, so I thought I'd do a really quick one. So yeah, here's the light bar it comes with, and then you got your two headlights, your kind of yellowish orange signal lights, and then you got your back tail lights, just two red ones, one right there, red one, and then one over there that's red. And then you got your crawling lights, which are on the bottom. You got two lights with 4 LEDs in each, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, there's my new RC4 drive lights. I just put a hole in the body, wired them through there, and screwed them right into the top roof rack. Sorry, just forgot what it was called for a second. So yeah, so I screwed those right into the top roof rack there. So screwed in there. They're not coming off. So those are fairly bright. They have 4 LEDs in them too. So yeah, I'm pretty sure those are water resistant because most RC4 drive stuff is water resistant. Even the winch, like I said it was. So yeah, those are all the lights it comes with. So yeah, let's see if I can get these lights on, and I'll show you guys in the dark what they look like. Be back in a second. Hey guys, I'm back. So I'm gonna be showing you guys the lights now. So then it has how many LEDs again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 LEDs in each of the headlights. Then it has the orangey yellowish turning lights, and then it has the light bar. Has a switch right here on the left side, so it's waterproof, they say, and I'm pretty sure it is waterproof. So dimmer, brighter, and then you got your red tail lights, so one on each side. They're fairly bright on the second side. And then, so just to give you guys an idea of how the light works, see, just dim it. So it covers the entire area that's brighter. It covers an area. It doesn't just go straight. So that's really nice when you're rock crawling and everything. So yeah, it's really nice. So yeah, like I said just like a second ago, I'm pretty sure it's waterproof because they normally wouldn't lie traxxas, and because I went through water and hasn't broken anything or damaged anything a bit. So yeah, it's awesome. And then you got your crawling lights under there. 4 LEDs in each light there, so that's on all of them. So basically you just screw them into there, take some little plastic pieces out they're already in, screw them into there. Same with these ones in the front, take the originals out and screw them in there. But you just got to put this one on, and same with the back ones, you just take the original ones out and screw those in there. So yeah, so that's the light bar review there, the light kit review. So yeah, I definitely do recommend this kit. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't. So yeah, see you in the next video.